forward. Hi guys, so welcome to, what is this? Yeah, a cooking video slash mukbang. Oh, I don't know yet, so I'm gonna have to put the title up, but we're gonna be cooking today. We're gonna be cooking, this is gonna be me cooking this dish for the first time, so I'm quite scared, let me not lie. Yeah, I'm cooking brown stew chicken. I was in, do you know when you're just in the mood for some nice authentic food? I don't know why I'm doing all of this, I'm being extra. Anyways, yeah, so Amelia will be my cooking assistant, partly like here and there, because it is getting later on in the day and she is a bit tired, so she's just chilling now. But she'll be doing some stuff with me, or she'll just be eating with me. I don't know, it depends. Hello.
Hi,
Oh, hi.
hello.
Hi.
Hello.
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 Hi. Now we're gonna cook chicken and rice.
Challenge.
Challenge?
Yes, rice challenge. If we eat all of the food.
Really? That's the challenge today?
Yeah, that's the challenge.
Okay then, if you say so. Oh, is that golden hour? You, boo.
What can I say? This morning I didn't see my mum's hair, and then it will grow. If she drank some water and she ate some vegetables, that's how her hair grows a bit.
Okay, so I have washed the chicken, and I've washed it with lemon and stuff like that. Loads of people in my comments before was chatting about don't wash your chicken. Listen, I'm washing my chicken. I am washing my chicken. This is why I know I can't eat around certain people's houses. People are like, no, you're gonna spread more germs if you wash your chicken. Behave. How is that possible? Why did they tell you to wash down your surface after dealing with chicken? Because it's dirty. How you can't wash? Do you know what? Let me not start. Wash the chicken with some lemon. I'm gonna start by marinating the chicken. I'm not gonna lie, I would usually just marinate the chicken, leave it overnight. Well, that's what you usually do, yeah? Or even leave it for a couple of hours, but we gotta eat. So unfortunately, can't marinate the chicken how I want it. I'm gonna put these green onions in. Go in with some garlic, minced garlic, some salt. Pass that on the chicken. This salt's really like salty, so I'm gonna be careful not to put on too much. I'm gonna leave one hand fresh and cleaned, because obviously as you're doing this you need to put more ingredients in. Put the salt in, rub that all in. Don't be scared to touch your chicken, guys, come on now. And when it comes to like ingredients, don't ask me how much I put in, right? Because when I cook, I just cook with eye and with taste. Okay, now mix that all in. This has been so good if it marinated overnight or even a couple hours. That's the right way. But unfortunately, Amelia is hungry, I'm hungry too. So my pan is there, ready to put the chicken in. I've cut up some peppers, but we'll get back to that later. Make sure when you're putting the chicken in to not basically put like the onions in kind of thing, because the onions will burn. So like kind of take the onions out and make sure it's just the chicken in there. Come on now, focus. Okay, so 3 minutes on each side, brown the chicken. We need now onions. I don't like chopping up onions, so I get mine chopped up already. These are fresh onions, so they're not frozen onions. Okay, peppers. Mix that all in until the onions are kind of like cooked. Alright, so this is my preference. I'm going to add a chicken stock in there. Don't have to do this if you don't want to, but this is my preference. Okay, so I've added 1 tablespoon of ketchup. I've added some thyme as well. Okay, I've also added carrots because I like carrots in my brown stew chicken. I don't know about you guys. I'm going to taste it, see if it needs any more salt or anything else. But yeah, add the chicken after and you're literally done. So I'm going to make my steamed veg now. Some oil in the pan. But I can't remember to be chopping up carrots, so I got grated carrots. This is coming along nicely. Ooh.
It's so yummy.
Rice cooked. The carrots in first. Okay, so I think I added a bit too much oil, but oh well. Now add the cabbage. Okay, a spoon of butter. Pop that in there, get it in. Okay, so I've added the rest of the vegetables now, and I'm just gonna go in and add some pepper, some black pepper, and some salt. Oh, and some garlic actually. I forgot to chop up some garlic. Put some garlic in there. Gravy has now thickened up on the brown stew chicken. This is all done, steamed veg, really nice. Make sure you add some garlic to that, some black pepper, some salt, really nice. And the rice here. I used coconut milk in my rice as well because I like that kind of coconutty taste. I like to use jasmine rice with my food. So yeah, there we go, done, sorted. Took me like, I'd say, yeah, 1 hour because I started at 6 o'clock. Steamed veg, brown stewed chicken and some rice. You right, Billy? You're ready for the food? Can't wait. All right guys, so it's all finished and I'm going to introduce my special guest for this mukbang. We have
Hey.
Hello, welcome.
He wants to play the video challenge who eats all of the rice.
Really?
Yeah.
This is the food right here.
Yeah.
First of all, let's toast. There's your orange juice.
Thank you. Good then,
I'll get my schlur.
can I have some?
You like fizzy drinks? Do you really? Since when?
Is it really so much spicy?
Yeah, it's very fizzy. She calls fizzy drinks spicy. Okay, cheers. Cheers to this mukbang. My first
Cheers.
Hold on, I'm doing a speech. Cheers everyone to my first guest and my first mukbang. Actually no, it's not my first mukbang, but anyways, cheers. Cheers.
It's good.
Tastes good, ma'am. Do you want to try some?
No.
You sure? It's nice, you know.
No, I don't like cabbage.
She's a really big fan of
No,
rice.
can I do some?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you.
A little bit. Oh yeah, all over the table. Well done, well done. Do you want some chicken?
Yes, please. Mmm.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Mmm. I'm gonna get some steamed veg. Gotta be healthy somehow. Hmm?
You win.
Mmm.
Winning the food challenge.
What food challenge?
That one that I said in the kitchen.
If it's a food challenge, who can eat faster? No, Amelia, I don't want to choke. Mmm. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I went in because this is really nice. I'm surprised. I'm really surprised. I'm gonna cook this again. Mmm.
Mmm.
This is good.
Cheers, man.
Cheers, man.
So everybody, do you like all this food while we eat it? Then try some tomorrow, pretend. Only joking.
Are you joking? That's how you sound.
Only joking.
So tell everyone today what you did at school.
So I got 2 friends. Well, I got 3 friends. I got 4 friends.
You got 4 friends? Well, you got more than me, trust me.
I got loads.
You got loads. Must be nice.
I got hundreds.
Hundreds. Behave. So what did you do at school then?
I played with other friends, but I couldn't do the monkey bar. So I get a tread and I done it, but I keep jumping off because I'm so scared I'd do the other part.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're a bit stressed because you couldn't do monkey bars. That's why you're stressed.
I'm not stressed. I just can't do it.
Aww, it'll be fine. You'll be able to do it soon.
When I'm 5.
When you're strong enough. Hmm?
I'm in year 1.
Are you in year 1?
Yeah.
No. You're in reception. You'll be in year 1 next year.
How do you know I'm in reception?
How do I know?
Yes. How do you know?
I know if you're what? I know if you're in reception. I think I would know, Amelia.
How do you know the section?
I would know. I know. I just know that you're in reception. I know.
How?
The teachers told me.
He did not.
Oh my days.
I'm winning.
This is not a competition. I told you
It
this.
is a competition.
Thumbs up this video if you love Caribbean food.
5 down if you don't like this Caribbean food.
I just can't believe it.
I can't believe
This really tastes good.
This really tastes good.
A bit more of the bubbly. Right guys, so this is the end of the video because my battery is literally about to go. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this recipe. I hope you like this video. Have you got anything to say to the people?
Kahari.
Thank you, Amelia, for joining my video, for being a guest.
That's okay.
Peace out, guys. Mwah.
Mm.